Dear students, welcome to our English class for 5th grade. What we will do on this lesson? Today we will continue our theme, cities and countries. Now look at the pictures. What can you see on the pictures? Yes, I can see the country and the big city. And so, on this lesson, we will talk about places of cities and countries in Kazakhstan and understand the main points in a limited range of short simple text, general and curricular topics. Let's remember how to use there is, there are. Is for singular, are for plural. Let's read the letters country and about country and city. And look how is used is and are. Hello, we live in the country. There are green fields and hills. There is long river in our country. We have nice and small houses. There are a lot of animals in the country. There is clean air in the country. We are happy in our country. Hello, we live in the city. There are wide and long streets in our city. There are a lot of people and cars in the city. We have nice and tall houses. There is a river in the city. There are clean streets in the country. Our city is beautiful. And now, what you can see in the country and in the city? Pay attention and tell me, please. I can see the green fields, hills, many trees. I can see the long river, small houses. On the second picture I can see wide and long streets, many cars and tall houses. Read the phrases. Small houses, tall houses, cars, people, a lot of animals, dirty streets, clean rivers, green gardens, wide streets, fields, hills, long streets. And now choose the words for the city and for house. In the city, in the country. Pay attention. Let's check. Well, I think you coped with this task. And now, let's read the text about Nur-Sultan and Almaty. Read and understand. Nur-Sultan is the capital of Kazakhstan. It is located in the northern parts of the country on the Ishim River. It was established in 1830 as Akmula and has changed the name several times. It was named Astana in 1998 and then Nur-Sultan in 2019. There are also many interesting and wonderful show places. Han Shatar, it is a huge transparent pyramid. Recreational complex Duman is an interesting place of rest and entertainment. Palace of Peace and Reconciliation, its beautiful structure building is visible from both banks of the Ishim River. And Bayterek is a symbol of the city. A lot of people visit Nur-Sultan for sightseeing. The largest city of Kazakhstan is Almaty. Almaty was founded in 1854 and it is located in the southeast of Kazakhstan. Almaty is one of the most beautiful and special cities of Kazakhstan. It is situated at the foot of the Emerald Tian Shan ridges. One of the most famous sites is the Republic Square, which is a central square of the city. The world's famous skating rink, Meadow, was built in 1972. It is the best place for outdoor world competitions in speed skating. The sightseeing of Almaty are Koktube, Central Stadium and a big Almaty lake. Complete the sentences. Well, students, let's check. I think you coped with this task too. And now let's read the poem The Country and the City. Some people live in the city where the houses are very tall. Some people live in the country where the houses are very small. But in the country where the houses are small, the gardens are very big. And in the cities where the houses are tall, there are no gardens at all. Now let's remember what we have done on this lesson. Today we had a review lesson. That's all. The lesson is over. Goodbye.